In this lesson, I will explain to you Home tab and Format Painter. So this is the Home tab and this is the Format Painter. In the last lesson, I have explained with the document. We have written some document and I have explained to you that what is the function of Format Painter. But now I will use the same function but with some pictures or with some shapes. So for this purpose, you have to go on the insert tab first. You will find the shapes in the illustrations group. So this is the illustrations group. Open this arrow, then you will find out different kind of shapes. This is the basic shapes, lines, rectangle, and so on. And you can use these shapes if you want to make some banner, right? Suppose here you want to pick this one, or you want to pick this one. It's up to you. Okay, we say 6 points star, that is fine. So bring your insertion point here. Now it is converted into the positive sign. It means it is ready to make the shape. So press and hold your mouse and make this shape, right? Okay, now go to the home tab. Suppose if you want to make the same shape 3 times, so copy and then where you want to paste. If I say this is the paste, this is the paste, right? There are 3 times. So now with the help of this four-headed arrow, we can separate these three. Okay, right? Now suppose here we want to write down, this is the letterhead or banner or anything, whatever you want, you can write down here. Make it bold and font size, make it this so we can see easily. Then copy and you can paste it here and you can paste it here, right? Suppose if you want it red, so make it red, here red, and here red. See, I am doing the same functions 3 times, which is time consuming. So now there is no more tab, but when I will click on this star, see the format tab will appear. This is called the drawing tools format tab. And now it has different functions here. If you will click on the format, you will find out different functions on the ribbon. So shape fill, open this, whatever shape you want. Suppose we want yellow on our shape fill. So just bring here, right? It is yellow. Now suppose you want to make it to 20 or 22 like this. Again, go to the format, shape outline. This is the shape, this outline, right? We want outline which color? Okay, I say red is okay. Then what should be the weight? Go to the weight and I say is 4.5. So similarly, you can do more formatting here. The same formatting, suppose you want to apply here, same formatting you want to apply here. Suppose if you have 10 stars, so what you will do? One by one you will go here and then shape fill this, whatever the different. So it's a time consuming, as well as maybe sometimes you will forget, right? Maybe you will forget one formatting or two formatting. So for this purpose, we use the format painter, and I will show you what is the purpose if we, what is the purpose if we click one time format painter or if we click 2 times. If I click only one time this format painter, right? See, this is select and then this is the format painter one time. When I will bring here, so see, you can apply the same formatting only one time. But if you will click the same format painter 2 times, so you can apply the same formatting as many times as you want. This is the difference. If you click one time, you can apply the format painter only on one shape, but if you apply the format painter 2 times, you can apply the same formatting as many times as you want. But if you click on 2 times, that is, see, it is still in brush shape, so you have to go back and click here. If you click 2 times, that at the end when you will finish your formatting on your shapes, you have to go back and click on format painter, right? So in this lesson you have learned home tab. This is the home tab. Under home tab we have learned the format painter, and we also learned what is the difference between if you click one time and 2 times. If you still have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.